If you're a class 12, engineering, medical, undergraduate, postgraduate, law, architecture, agriculture or any other course student, then don't miss this scholarship. The Om Jyoti Trust Scholarship is in a vision to support the deserving candidates to higher education. Whether you are in a class 12 or pursuing any higher education which are mentioned earlier, then this scholarship could be a great chance for you to turn your educational dream into reality. Who can apply for this scholarship? An Indian citizen with a strong academic are eligible. Students from class 12 to till masters are eligible for this scholarship. Students facing the financial constraints to pursue their higher education are eligible for this. And the preference will be given for the students who are exceptional in merit and talent. To apply for this scholarship, you need to have the following documents like Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, email ID and mobile number, mark sheet of class 10th, 12th, diploma, degree and masters, fees receipts, latest utility bill, applicant's bank statement along with parents' bank statement and salary certificate if applicable. If you want to get to know about more scholarship opportunities at the right time, then level up your scholarship game with our Plus membership. Get a personalized dashboard, be the first to know about the matching scholarship and enjoy the prompt support. Grab the exclusive 40% off as an introductory price for a limited period of time. Upgrade now for only $599 to unlock your scholarship journey. Link in description box. To apply for this scholarship, hit the link given in the description box. Then you will be redirected to a login page. If you feel that this content is valuable, then please show some support by hitting the like button. Let's come back to the apply process video. If you are already a registered user, then please log in with your credentials. If not, then please fill out the details like your first name, surname, email ID, phone number. Make sure that both the details are valid and enter your password and confirm password. Please enter the CAPTCHA and verify it. Then you can click on the continue button. Om Jyoti Trust Scholarship has got 6 different phases of the application. So let's begin with the first one by providing the personal information with date of birth, age, gender. If you have got social media handles, then please provide your IDs over there. And next provide the information about your father, mother, and if you are physically challenged, then please provide the option yes or no. Then provide the personal information like your PAN card number and Aadhaar card number, and provide a parent's permanent address and student hostel or the current address, and click on the next button. And next you need to provide the details about your education, where you need to fill out the details like from class 12 to till post graduation. As per the semester wise, you need to provide the institution name along with the marks you have obtained and the percentage. Then we need to provide the details about a particular scholarship or the prize money for the academic distinctions, the name of the examination, specific academic distinctions, name of the scholarship or the prize you have won during this period. And next provide the details about the proposed study, that name of the course, name of the institution and name of the field of the study and the duration of the course. And next provide the details about your fees and the other expenses per annum. And next you need to provide the information about the co-applicant, whereas you need to give the following details like particulars about your parents, that is father or a mother, name, personal details along with phone number and email ID, date of birth, occupation, whether your parent is retired or still working, and same with respect to a mother information. Employment details like name of the employer, whether your parent is serving under government, private or MNC segment. Designation along with the approximate annual income. If your parent is a self-employed or the business owner, then please provide the information of the same, and provide the further detail about your parent, that personal identification number, upload the document as an Aadhaar card and ID number, mention the place of issue, and the personal identification like a PAN card number and the further details. If you have got siblings, then please select the number of the siblings you have and details about each sibling, whether they are pursuing any courses or whether they are earning person. And then provide the details about the bank account number of applicant as well as the co-applicant. Please make sure that while giving the bank details, double check the information what you have provided. And then you need to provide the details about non-family reference with all the details. And then you need to provide the following details like your family holds any assets like television, 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, whether you are in a rented property or a owned property. Then answer the questions which I have asked over there and click on the checkbox and save the detail. Now it's important phase, that is to upload all your documents. Like first we'll upload all the personal documents like recent passport size photograph, attach your Aadhaar card, latest utility bill, and attach your proof of 2 months utility bill. And now let's attach the educational detail proofs like your HSC marks card, upload the diploma mark sheet if applicable, upload the degree mark sheets and upload the post graduation mark sheets. And then please upload the document related to a fee structure and provide the co-applicant details like Applicant bank statement, father bank statement and mother bank statement, along with that attach latest salary certificate of both mother and father if applicable. And then you need to click on the checkbox where you need to read out the terms and conditions, and if you agree, click on the checkbox and click on the submit button. And even you can get 3,200 per month scholarship. Do you want to know how? Then please watch the video which is on the right side. Signing off, take care until next time.